A very good day to you, and today we are going to review the Apple TV Plus streaming service. Released on November 1st, November 2nd, today is November the 2nd. Got the application, and here is my review. Enjoy the video. Okay, so this is Apple TV Plus, and I have subscribed. You get 7 days free trial to see if you want it, and if so, then it's like $4.99 a month. And at the moment, it's, can I say, pretty empty. I'm not very impressed with it. So the show's actually there is pretty good. So here we got the morning show, for example. You can see that. I've been watching a little bit of that. So you've got to look for the logo that says here, Apple TV. There's another TV show here called C. I will watch that possibly a little bit later. I am, to be honest, disappointed. I thought it was going to be like Netflix, that there's 1,000 movies to choose from. At the moment, I'm just going through the things that are available on Netflix, and it is, to be honest, pretty limited. I can imagine it's all very, very high quality, but Netflix, I pay what, $11.99 for 4K and on all devices. There's another one on TV, Apple TV Plus, coming soon, but that's about it. There's nothing else. So I'm going to try it for a month and see if it improves. It's a new thing from Apple, but I'm disappointed. I thought even I used to have Amazon Prime before, and with Amazon Prime, I had it for a year, paying $3 a month, but it's sort of all old stuff. And this one has got about 10 kind of TV shows in it, from Snoopy to Jennifer Anderson with the morning show. And I would say the quality, I repeat, the quality is there, but that's it. So do try it for 7 days free. Do try it for a month, but I don't think it's a good start here for Apple related to it. So I'm going to give it a thumbs down at the moment, but let's see what happens in November time. Maybe it's going to get a lot better, and I hope it does. And I will give the $5 or the $4.99 to Apple to see if it's worth it. But at the moment, just on the first day of having Apple TV Plus, I would say it's a thumbs down at the moment. Have a happy day, Apple TV. Please leave your comments in the box, descriptions below, etc. Yada, yada, yada. Be good. Have a happy Saturday, which is today. Bye for now.